Good morning, students. This is chapter 26. Here, Henchard has a faint suspicion that his rival might be Donald Farfrae, and Farfrae shows his ignorance that the lady in Henchard's past is Lucetta. Now, both are having tea together with Lucetta, and Elizabeth Jane, who is witnessing this situation, an awkward threesome, watches them and begins to feel that they are all behaving like fools. Now, to vitalize antagonism towards Donald Farfrae, Henchard hires Job again, the man who had applied for the position of manager, and instructs him to try honestly to force Farfrae out of business. Now, Job, who willingly assures him that he will try his best to force Farfrae out of business, and Farfrae was the man who replaced him. Henchard consults a local weather diviner named Mr. Fall and pays him for reading the future and predicting a very wet harvest season. This was less reliable information, and Henchard speculates heavily upon rainy harvest weather, and the weather changes and prices goes down, and Henchard has to sell his speculative purchases at a great loss in order to meet current situation. He is forced to mortgage much of his property and corn holdings to the bank. He got furious at Job's decision, and for not advising against the speculation, Henchard dismisses him from the job. Job bitterly avows vengeance against Henchard. In chapter 27, Donald Farfrae proves to be very intelligent, and he begins buying grain now. That promise of a fair harvest. The weather quickly turns damp, and Farfrae's decision proves to be right. An accident occurs under Lucetta's window involving Henchard's and Donald Farfrae's hay wagons. Now, Lucetta and Elizabeth Jane both side with Donald's driver. Henchard is brought to the scene where he gives his instructions to Constable. The constable tells him that there is only one case pending in the town court, and Henchard tells him that he will hear the case in the absence of the town of Mayor Chuckfield. After setting all things right for the moment, now Henchard attempts to call on Lucetta, who has returned home. He sends him a note that she has an engagement to go out. Henchard has a suspicion for Donald Farfrae, so he decides to wait in the shadows in order to learn if Donald Farfrae is the visitor. Farfrae arrives at 9 o'clock, and together he and Lucetta walk to the fields where the townsmen are reaping by moonlight. Henchard decides to follow them. The couple take a twisting route, and Henchard was hiding himself. From hiding, he hears them declare their love for each other. He leaves furiously and returns to Luceta's home. Without knocking, he enters the house and waits for her return. Upon her return, he threatens to reveal the past if she refuses to marry him. Elizabeth Jane witnessed the whole situation and Luceta agrees to marry. Luceta faints and Elizabeth Jane deplores Henchard for forcing her to marry. Henchard leaves.